Okay, good evening all and good morning all. Welcome to the first session of Free DevOps course 2025. I can see that the Zoom slots are full and you guys are still waiting to get an entry on the Zoom. How are you all, by the way? Good evening all. Able to hear me, guys? Okay, good evening all and good. Okay, great. Able to hear me? Yes? Okay, Bogunam. Okay, all are doing great. Namaste. From all over the world, I'm able to see you all. I'm very much excited and I wish you all get jobs very soon. Okay, so my energy is on peaks and I believe for the next 3 hours or 2.5 hours close to, this energy will be continued in the same way. Okay. Going ahead, you will be hearing so many things from me and stay tuned. Okay, good. And those who were not able to join this Zoom session, right? And I have also streamed this on YouTube because the Zoom slots are full. I always tell you should join on time. Okay, if you are delaying, your slot will be taken by some other student. Okay, so always make sure you join on time. But still, I'm making sure that you guys join the Zoom. Zoom cannot be increased. Okay, Zoom doesn't have the capacity to be increased. That's why I am streaming this on what you say, like on YouTube also. Right. So very good to see you all. Shall we start the class? And before we start the class, I want to understand from you all from which part of the world you are watching me. Let's start with you all. For 1 minute, you can tell from which part of the world. Almost like, almost like I can see the Josh is high today, and you guys are amazing. Okay, amazing, amazing to be really seeing that you guys are joining my session. And with so much love, you are joining the Zoom class from all over the world. Yes, USA, Canada, Australia, Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, right? So that's great. That's great. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, right? And I can see people from all over different religions are with us, right? So Muslims, Hindus. So that's really good. Like when we are learning something, we all are coming together. We all are doing good, right? Great. So let's start the class. I'm very much excited. Time is now 6:08. First, I will tell you some rules and regulations that we guys need to follow in the class before I kick off the actual session for you guys. Okay. This is Linux part 1 session where you will be undergoing deep dive into the Linux concepts which are needed for you to clear the interview. Not only this, you are going to get the Linux documents, Linux hands-on, Linux interview questions, and the most important thing, Linux cheat sheets. So those who have joined the class, you have to wait in the session till 8 p.m. to get all the things. Okay. So for 2 hours, we will continue the class in the same momentum. And after a few hours, we will take a break. Okay. So something like this, the pattern will be. And to get all the documents, to get the recordings, like many of you are asking me recordings, you have to stay till the end of the class. I have also told you your attendance will be noted down. So you have to stay tuned till the end of the session. If you are dropping off the session, just to make sure your attendance will be dropped off. Okay. And your certificate will not be issued. Okay, great. So let's start the class. Shall I share my screen, guys? Yes? Okay, okay. Great, great, great. Like the video, guys, like the video. Okay, if you are watching me on YouTube, you have to like the video because the energy is awesome this time. The people are amazing from all over the world. Okay, so like target for this video is 200 plus likes. And okay, voice will be a little bit breaking because this is going on everywhere. And I request you all, if voice is breaking, to just make sure that you guys are staying with me. No need to worry. Okay. Right. So time is now 6:10. Let me share my screen. Let's jump into the Linux. Very important, very, very important concepts. Any DevOps engineers should be going and jumping on here. How many of you have notes today? You all have notes? Yes. So first thing, you should have a notebook in my class. Without that, it's not good. Okay, 500 pages. I hope that the first 50 pages you have left for Linux notes. I'm expecting you all to have the 500 pages Linux, 500 pages notebook. In that first 50 pages, you can leave for Linux. Okay. And the next 50 pages for Docker, next 50 pages for Kubernetes, like that. 10 sessions close to. So 10 into 50, 500 pages notebook. Okay. Right. yes, people are waiting in lobby. They cannot enter into the lobby. Okay, so you can tell them to join my YouTube live. Okay, I have already told you the Zoom meetings are limited for the people. Okay, so if any of your friends are waiting in the lobby, you can ask them to join on Zoom. Okay, the first thing is have a notebook. The second thing is very important. Okay, internet will be slightly unstable. Okay, but not to worry, not to worry. Okay, not to worry. Wait, not to worry. Okay, the first thing is notebook. The second thing is you need to have a Linux server. Okay, to do the hands-on. I will tell you where you will get it. Okay. The third thing, I'll be sharing some documents in the class at 8 p.m. sharp. This documents will continue to have your hands-on. This documents will have your troubleshooting scenarios, some kind of Linux troubleshooting scenarios. And this document will also have your theory part, and the other things will be added as part of the cheat sheet. Okay. Are you excited to start the class? Shall we start the class? The day one with slide one. Let's start the class. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. And my voice will be little bit breaking. Not to worry, it will be getting stable because I am hosting this biggest event for the first time. The mood is full, the slots are full. So there can be discrepancy, but not to worry. Okay, great. So let's start. Let's start. Okay. So all of your eyes on the screen. First of all, let's understand, bhai, behan, everyone, what is Linux? Okay. So when we talk about Linux, we need to understand that it's a system. Okay. You have Windows with you, right? You have Windows with you. Similarly, you have something like Linux with us. You have laptop with us, right? Similarly, we have something called Linux system with us, right? And when we talk about a laptop or when we talk about a Linux, right? We need to understand that there are multiple layers involved in this entire structure. When we talk about a laptop, let's consider I have a Linux laptop. Okay, I have a laptop which is having a Linux operating system or Linux flavored machine. Okay, I can consider like I have a Linux laptop, okay, with me where I can do my DevOps work. As simple as that. I have a Linux laptop where I can do my DevOps work. Very simple. Now you need to understand what people did was people started differentiating the platform based on OS. Okay, so people started introducing, okay, I have a Linux laptop, that's good, but I need more power. I need more capacity. I need more agility. So what people did was they started dividing the Linux platform, right, based on various factors. And some of the factors which you might be knowing is CentOS, Fedora, Ubuntu, right? You have Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 9, Windows 10, Windows 11. Based on the requirement of the product and the service companies, the system got distributed accordingly, right? What else you have? The Linux is distributed among what else? Kiali, not Kiali. Kiali is a monitoring tool. Kali. What else? What else you have? Rel. Correct. Beautiful. What else? Quickly. I hope you all are writing down notes. Debian. Beautiful. What else you have? What else you have? Anything else? Mint, SUSE Linux, right? Yes. So different kinds of data points people brought together, and they are telling that, boss, I have a system of CentOS. I have a system of Fedora. I have a system of Ubuntu. I have a system of Kali. I have a system of RHEL. I have a system of Debian. Now, you need to understand, among this, the DevOps engineers came into picture. Okay, please listen carefully. The DevOps engineers came into picture, and now what they did was they started taking the help of all the things. My screen is shared, guys. Sumanjali, okay? You have to check from your end. Now, this DevOps engineers, what they did was they took each platform of OS and started building the DevOps projects. Okay, so DevOps project 1, DevOps project 2, DevOps project 3. So similarly, different kinds of projects came into picture. Now, DevOps project 1 is completely built on CentOS. The DevOps project 2 is completely built on Ubuntu. The DevOps project 3 is completely built on Kali. Are you understanding, guys? The people, DevOps engineers, started differentiating the projects based on the OS. And that's where you will see in most of the companies today we are using CentOS and Ubuntu. For example, in the companies where I have worked, like Walmart, like maybe Verizon, right? Like other big companies, I see mostly we are using CentOS and Ubuntu, and everything is handled by the DevOps engineers. Are you clear? Everyone, right? So now you need to understand, let's consider I am working on project 1, which is CI/CD pipeline, which is entirely Jenkins. Let's consider project 2, which is Kubernetes project. Now tell me, in the project 1, I deployed the project 1 on CentOS, the project 2 on Ubuntu. Are you able to understand how the differentiation happened, guys? I will deploy my CI/CD on CentOS. The Kubernetes projects, let it be on Ubuntu. And that's where all the structure got changed. Due to this structure, from here, please write down, due to this differentiation of the OS, the commands got changed. Okay? Please try to understand. The commands of tools installation got changed. The versions got changed. Okay, the entire process of DevOps got changed. Are you able to understand, guys? We are having two flavors of OS. Due to this, the entire structures got changed. Everyone clear? I am telling you from the roots how a DevOps engineer started his work and what we are doing right now. We are building CI/CD projects. We are building Kubernetes. We are building Docker applications. We are building Terraform applications, right? Terraform infra. All those things are being done mostly. Do you guys agree with me? Ubuntu and CentOS are the two platforms which every organization take. How many of you agree? Quickly, yes. Right? In my organization, we use CentOS, and Walmart also. We were mostly having the Fedora and CentOS. How many of you agree with me? Yes, everyone agree? Correct. That's true. You all are amazing, right? Now you understood the previous concepts. Now let's understand what is a system. Okay, what is a laptop? Very basically, I will tell you what is a laptop, right? All of you listen here, all of you, eyes on the screen. Okay, and one more thing, if you are dropping from the meeting, you cannot join back because students are already waiting in the lobby to join the meeting. If you drop once, your seat will be taken by other candidate. Is it clear? Because it's a free course, you can understand everyone wants to join, everyone wants to be part of this amazing content, everyone wants to get job. So if you drop from this class, other person will join your seat. Okay, so I cannot do anything. If you are dropping off, it's up to you, but stay tuned till the end of this class, 8 p.m. Okay, beautiful. Now all of you see here, guys, very simple. I have a laptop. I will always consider laptop with a Linux system. Okay, my laptop is my Linux system. So tell me, laptop has a screen? Yes. Laptop has a keyboard? Yes. Laptop has a RAM? Yes. Laptop has a memory? Do you agree with me? Everything is there. Laptop has a OS? Yes. What else laptop has? Laptop has files? Laptop has user? Correct. Laptop has CPU? Yes. Right. What else? Laptop has services? Laptop has softwares? Correct. Laptop has network. Beautiful, bhai log. Laptop has network. Now, can you tell me, can I consider this laptop as my Linux system? Because I told you that the laptop is equal to Linux. Can I do that? It's very simple, right? So you need to understand the Linux has a OS, the Linux has a user, the Linux has files, the Linux has folders, the Linux has network, Linux laptop, basically Linux machine has network, Linux has memory, Linux has softwares installed, Linux has screen, machine has screen, whatnot. Linux has everything. Okay, laptop, basically Linux laptop. When I mean Linux, it's a laptop basically for me to make you understand in a very easy manner. You don't need to confuse. Okay. When I meant a laptop, I always meant like it's a system with me. It's a system. Whatever the OS may be, it might be CentOS, it might be Ubuntu, it might be anything. So I will say like everything combined together is forming a Linux system. Yes. Is it clear? You call it a server, you call it a Linux machine, anything is same. Okay, a server or a machine, anything in the DevOps terminology, it makes the same sense. Are you all clear? Have you all written these diagrams in your notes? Because once the session is completed, I would like to see few of your notes. You will come on the video and you will show me your notes, how you have written. Okay, so we will do all those exercise at the end of this meeting. That will be amazing to see how you have written down the notes. Beautiful. Right. So you understood this. Now you tell me, guys, when we talk about a system, how many of you heard the sound when the keyboard doesn't work? Right? This is the first class, correct? Today is the first class of free DevOps course. Now tell me, how many of you have heard the beep sound when your keyboard doesn't work, when your RAM has some issue in laptop? Have you heard of the sounds? A beep sound will come when your system is not working. A beep sound will come. Yes. Now, similarly, let me tell you, in Linux systems or in our systems, okay, in our DevOps systems, we have a process that the system follows. Please write down the Linux boot process in your notes. Okay, I'll be talking about what will happen when you switch on your Linux system. Okay, and what is the process once you switch on your Linux system? What will happen? We will discuss in a very little bit of time. Okay, now all of you see here. Tell me, when you are switching on a laptop, what will happen? The first thing in your system is BIOS. How many of you have know this? Basic input, output system, correct? The BIOS actually sends the signal to all the components like RAM, like keyboard, like monitor, and it will check whether the system is good. Very important interview question. People will ask, tell me the Linux bootable process. What does the Linux bootable process has? Right? Now tell me, once the BIOS is confirmed, have you heard about MBR? How many of you have heard? Have you heard in Linux the concept of master boot record? Have you heard about the concept of GRUB, Grand Unified Bootloader? Have you heard? Have you heard about the concept of kernel? Have you heard about the concept of services? Have you heard about the concept of processes? How many of you have not heard? BIOS, MBR, GRUB, kernel, services, processes in the Linux system. Have you heard? How many of you have heard? How many of you have heard? Process. Not heard? Heard? Okay, if anyone is watching me for the first time, let me tell you, myself, Praveen Singampalli, okay? And I am a content creator on DevOps. I have almost like 70,000 close to on YouTube, okay? I have 1,13,000 on Instagram people with me. sorry, not Instagram, LinkedIn. I have 11,000 close to on Instagram. Okay. So I share DevOps content in every platform. And most of you would have joined the free DevOps course from various links. Okay. And I usually conduct various kinds of meetups in different kinds of offices, Microsoft, Google, maybe Amazon. So I always make sure people come join with me and understand some things. Okay. Right. Great. Great to see you all, by the way, in today's class. Okay. Right. So let's go ahead. Now, all of your eyes on the screen. Very seriously, we will talk about some things here. Now, BIOS, you understood that your system is good. Now, what is the next step? How many of you have heard about master boot record? How many of you have heard about master boot record? Heard? Not heard? If anyone is facing issues from joining the Zoom or not able to hear in Zoom, you can join the YouTube if you want to join. Okay. But in the class, you should be there to get the certificate and attendance. Okay. So basically, master boot record is very small space in the Linux system. Let's consider 512 MB. Okay. This master boot record will have all the information that is needed by Linux system to boot up. Are you able to understand? For the Linux system to boot up, you need some bootable files. Correct? How many of you agree with me? Guys, without bootable files, how my system will know that it has to switch on everything, right? Now, once the master boot record sends the files to the system to wake up, you need to understand the next process is grub. The grub is a place where it gives the kernel or the OS, Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11. Once the system is coming up, the OS also should take place. The OS also should load. Guys, without OS, your system will work? No. Without OS, your system will not work. So the grub comes into picture. The kernel or the CentOS machine or the Ubuntu machine comes up. The selection of the kernel happens at grub, Grand Unified Bootloader. It is much more powerful than the master boot record. Okay. And then once that is done, your kernel selection happens. So tell me, in the Windows laptop, can you have two OS, Windows 11 and Windows 12? How many of you say yes or no? In Windows, can you have two OS? Tell me yes or no. People on YouTube, can you have two OS in one Windows system? No? Yes? No? Okay. Now let me tell you, you cannot have two OS, but tell me, can you have the two OS in the folders? You can save, right? You can save the two OS, and when needed, I will select one of the OS for my system to boot up. Correct. In the same way, the grub stores as many OS it can take. But when we are selecting the system to boot up, we have all the option to select the kernel. Let's say 11.2, 11.3, 12.5. Which kernel I want to select? I can select. Once the kernel is loaded up, you need to understand, I already told you, in the Windows laptop, there are some services, task manager. In the same way, all the system services will be up, and the system services will have process. All the processes will be up. And entirely, once this process gets completed, your system will be in your hands with the black screen. I have told in very simple format. If you read this in YouTube or anywhere, you will get frustrated because the concept is very, very deep. I have told you in a very simple manner. Yes, in a very simple manner, I have told you. Is it clear, everyone? Everyone happy with the flow till now? Clear? Very simple, I have explained you. But if you see the same thing it will be very difficult for you to understand. I have told in a very simple manner so that you don't remember. I mean, you don't need to buy hard. You just tell the process to them. Okay. Now, from here, the next concept starts. Once you have logged in into the system, let's do some things. Okay. So tell me one thing. You are a user. You are trying to log in into the laptop. Okay. Which is Linux or some laptop. Okay. Or let's say like, I will say like Windows laptop. Okay. Now tell me one thing. Whenever you are logging into the laptop, do you need a user ID and a password? Everyone, we need a user ID and a password to log in into any system. So guys, please write down. There are 2 to 3 types of users in the Linux system. One is a normal user. One is a root user. One is a group of users. Okay. One is other people. Okay. You need to understand in a Linux system, a normal user can come into the system. The root user, the admin of the system can come into the system. The group of users can come into the system and other people can also come into the system. Okay. So how many types of people are there with us? A normal user, a root user, a group of users, and other people can come into the system and access my system. Now tell me, myself, Praveen, okay, I am giving the access to the system. Now tell me, once I got the access to the system, okay, let's say like Praveen at 10.11.12.13. Okay, this is how the system looks like. Basically, username at IP address. Now, tell me one thing. Okay, see, I will take all your queries in next few minutes or few time. But as of now, please concentrate on the class. Everyone, right? Thanks a lot for understanding. Okay, now you tell me, once I got the access, will I be silently sitting or I will be doing something as a Linux system administrator? So please listen, very important concept. From here, once the user got the access, he will play with the network of Linux. See, these are very important. Please write down. He will play with the disk of Linux. He will play with the file systems of Linux. He will play with the folder structures of the Linux. He will play with the admin setup of Linux. Yeah, he will play with the maybe OS of Linux. He can also play with the system binaries of Linux. He can play with softwares of Linux. He can play with system configurations of Linux. He can play with system security of Linux. Do you agree with me? Once a user got access, what he will do? What he will do? He will play with network, disk, system, files, folders, admin setup, security, OS, binary softwares. Bhai, he has every access. This Praveen is called root user. Okay. Are you able to understand? This Praveen has a root access. That is why he can play with ultimate things in the Linux system. Yes, Praveen is a root user here. Are you able to understand who is the admin? Root user. Among the 4 users, I am the root user and I have access to do anything in the system. Everyone clear? Please write down. I am taking you from, you can see like the way I teach. It will be like a flow chart. It will be like a flow chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you will go deep dive into this. Like at the end of 2 hours, you will understand, oh my God, this much deep we have come into Linux by just knowing some things. Okay, so you can see, I will take entire like the reading into the tree structure format. Okay, you will see the branches coming out. See, initially it was small. Initially it was small, small, small. But as we go ahead, the branches will be increasing from here. Able to understand? Now you tell me, suppose I am a normal user. Okay, let's say like let's say like hero@10.11.12.13. Do you think the hero user will have all the access? No, he is a normal user. So this normal user might be having access to only some files, only to some folders, and some of the binaries and some of the softwares, not everything. So you understood the main difference between the two users, guys, right? The group of users might also have the same access, and the other people might have very limited access to the system. Are you able to understand? Now, let's understand the file system in Linux. From here, I'm going to draw a bigger tree now. We will enhance and we will open up everything in the Linux system. And don't worry, tomorrow we will do the hands-on of whatever the theory we are covering. You just focus on today's class. It will be very amazing. Trust me. Okay, let's first do the folder structure in Linux. You heard some things like /var, /bin, slash maybe etc. Yeah. What else you have heard? Var folder, bin folder, lib folder, mount, /mount, /temp, /opt, slash, what else? Home, /proc, what else? /ext. Okay. /bin, bin I have written sbin. Okay, what else? Okay, fine. This is enough. Now, all of you see here, whatever a Linux engineer, whenever he logs into the system, he will be having the access to everything that you are seeing on screen. Able to understand, guys? Yes, media and everything. That we will not go into deep, but as of now, everyone, I am expecting you to write the notes, because at the end of this class or at the end of this course, you will see your notebook is filled up with content, and you can take that content when you are sitting in the interview. You just need to refresh all the things. Okay. So when we talk about the folder structure in Linux, what are the folder structures, guys? Var folder, bin folder, etc folder, library folder, mount folder, temp folder, opt folder, home folder, proc folder, ext folder, sbin folder. Everyone, are you writing with me on YouTube, guys? Are you all folder, library folder? Are you all writing with me? Yes or no? Yes, everyone? Okay, good, good. Okay, great, great. That's awesome. That's awesome. That's awesome. Okay, all are telling yes. Enjoying the class till now, right? Very beautiful. You will see, I'm promising you, you will deep dive in a very simple manner. We will complete. And this will be the base for our next class, because whatever you are learning, you will apply the same things in the coming classes for advanced concepts also. Okay, great. Enjoying. Now, all of you see here, guys, I will talk about bin folder. From here, I am cutting out a branch. You will see the bin folder is called binaries folder in Linux. It means that all the application or packages of Linux system will be present here. Their heart, okay, their heart will be present in the bin folder. Okay, you install a software, that software will have its heart under the bin folder. Okay, the important information will be under the binary. Now, the next thing, etc. All the program files will be under etc. Okay, like you have C drive, correct? In Windows, yes, all the program files or config files. Everyone clear? One of the beauty here is OPT folder. Okay. Every organization, like let's say like Walmart, when I was working in Walmart, the OPT folder, we are installing software of our application. Okay. See here. Yes. At the end of the class, I will tell you everything what is needed for you. Okay. How you will get certificate, how the attendance is taken, how you will get documents, what about the recordings, everything I will tell you. You don't need to worry. Just listen the class as of now. Okay. Now in the OPT folder, the actual deployments of software applications happen via CI/CD. Everyone clear, right? In your organization, all the application jar files or the content, if it is on premise, if it is a Linux system, will be stored under OPT folder. Is it clear, everyone? Everyone clear? Makes sense? No? Have doubt in OPT? Anyone? Okay, once more. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, let's understand. You deploy one application. Okay, in organization, I'm talking about, you have a CI/CD. Okay, you have a CI/CD Jenkins. Okay, your teammate has triggered Jenkins, your code, and it get deployed into which folder? Linux system? OPT folder of Linux system. OPT is only for DevOps engineers. Okay, OPT is only for DevOps engineers. Is it clear, everyone? Clear? Everyone, good. Now, do you see something like temporary folder? This is a temporary folder where you can store your temporary files. Okay, where you can store your temporary files. Okay, Linux system libraries. You can store your libraries under this folder. Okay, what else we have here? What else? Okay, var. The var is basically to store application logs. Okay, all of you, I'm giving you 1 minute of time. Please write down whatever we have discussed because the tree is big. I have to go deep into the tree to explain you everything. Everyone writing down, guys? Yeah, take 1 minute. Write it, write it. Any questions? I'm going to take in the next few minutes. Don't worry. Lib libraries. Okay. 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 Now all of you see here. Okay. Please don't write looking like Messi. See, I am telling you things and I am writing on screen. You will get notes also. Okay. So whatever I'm teaching, few of the things will be in the document, few of the things will not be in the document. Okay. But just try to understand, okay, library is this, where is this, bin is this, proc is this, etc is this, library is this, mount is this, temp is this. That's it. Okay. Right. Have you all written this? Everyone written? Good. Okay, great. Now, I would like to make you all one understanding thing. Now, you all have LinkedIn with you, right? What you do today, just to make you understand, okay? What you have to do today is basically go to your home and tag me, okay? Tag me, Praveen, okay? And Hey DevOps, okay? Tag both of us, okay? Oh, sorry, not Hey Dev. Let me clear the screen. I'm telling me, make you understand, okay? Why it is coming Hey Dev? Yeah. So what you have to do is, once you tag me and Hey DevOps, you can tell what are your learnings. Let's try to understand. I have learned this today. You can take the screenshot of this page. Okay. You can take the screenshot of this, or let's say like, okay, I will say like replace. I will take one more screenshot of this. Okay. And what I will do, I will save like, let's say test 1, 2, 3, okay, in the downloads. And if you are able to see, I will take that only test 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And next. And you can tell the people that boss, today I am learning Linux, the day one of Linux. And you can also share the YouTube link because they cannot join our class right now, but they can see the Linux. If you want to share with them, you can say like, get the Linux theory day one. Okay. Like this, you can put it and you can write anything on top of that. It will increase your chances of visibility. People will see your post. And once you tag me, the notification will come to me and I will also acknowledge your post. Okay. So how many of you are going to do that today? LinkedIn connections. We are going to build a network here. Okay. Yes, everyone. We are going to build a network of people where everyone is with us. Everyone is with us reading, learning DevOps, enjoying the classes. Correct? And don't bother. No one will see all these things. If you get a job, don't think about your manager. Don't think about your employee, co-worker. If you get a good package, they will also feel like, okay, he or she has done the hard work. Correct? I would like to see everyone posting today on LinkedIn. And if you don't know, you can also check my YouTube channel for various contents. Okay. I have cracked almost 30 plus companies. All the interview questions will be available on my YouTube channel. You can just go and see. Okay, good. Great. Thanks a lot. So let's move ahead. Let's try to understand now. You understood some things about users. You understood something about folders. Now let's understand about disk management of Linux. Guys, tell me one thing. Very beautiful. How many of you have hard disk of 320 GB assigned to your laptop? How many of you have 320 GB of hard disk assigned to your laptop? You have 1 TB. Okay. So let's divide 320 GB, 500 GB, and 1 TB. Correct? Yeah, basically 256 GB. Earlier, people used to have. Now it's only with the Mac. Beautiful. Now, have you ever tried to divide this system memory into C drive, D drive, right? When you buy a laptop, E drive, F drive, you divide, right? Why you divide like this? You tell like in C drive, I will only keep program files. In D drive, I will keep movies. In E drive, I will keep pictures. In F drive, I will do the work related documents. You do? You all do, right? You all do, right? Salman? Yes. Everyone does the same thing, right? So in Linux also, very beautiful, the disks are attached to the system. Okay. The disks are attached to the system. And these disks are divided into multiple components. Please try to understand, right? Some disks are called logical volumes. Very beautiful. Okay. Some disks are called swap. Okay. Types of divisions of disks. We call some as logical volumes. We call some as swap partitions. We call some physical disks. Okay. We call some partitions as different kinds of names. But being a DevOps engineers, the two main partitions which you need to know in Linux are logical volumes and swap partitions. Okay, very, very important. And let's go how a disk looks like in Linux system. The disk will be named as XVDA slash V1, XVDA slash V2, XVDA slash V3. Let me show you all one Linux system. Let's see if my AWS account is still valid. Then I can show you the disks, their partition, and some other things which you can clearly understand. If I show you some basic things, maybe you can understand a little bit more. Correct? Yes. If I show you some things in the AWS, you will be a little bit able to understand, right? So just 1 second. This was not part of today's class, but let me show you. You will really feel happy. Okay, I don't have the script option. Okay. Okay, just 1 second. I'm validating this. Okay, these are security things, okay, for your AWS, okay. MFA is called multi-factor authentication, okay. So whenever you want your system to be more secure, you have to do all these things. Right, it's done, okay. Now it will ask me to go to console. Don't worry, you don't need to do anything. Okay, so I will just show you the disk. Only I will show you how the disk looks like in a Linux system. Okay, you don't need to worry anything. Don't see anything. I will just show you the disk. Okay, my task is to show you maybe some disk. Okay, okay. Now all of you see here, how many flavors of OS are there? Linux, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, SUSE Linux, correct? I will select Ubuntu. Okay, or let's say like Amazon Linux. Let's say like this. I am going to select Amazon Linux. Okay, Linux AMI. These all things, you don't worry. I will explain you later. You don't need to worry. Okay, now all of you see here. What is the storage, guys? What is the storage? What is the storage? 8 GB, correct? 8 GB of storage we are taking. Shall I make it 20 GB? Okay, that's fine. I want 20 GB of hard disk to be attached to my system, correct? And I will say like launch an instance. Are you able to understand? See here, my system will get launched. Okay, storage, network, everything this system will have. This is called a Linux system. Basic things. Okay. Now, all of you see here, guys, if you want to see the storage, what is the storage name? All of you see here. What is the storage name? Dev slash XVDA. It's not like C drive, D drive, E drive. It's like dev slash XPDA. And what is the size of the storage? 20 GB in use, attached when it was created. Correct. So let's see like this. I will go into this Linux system and I will show you some basic hands-on with the disk. Let's do that. Very important. Okay. Now, what user? See, user. Okay. I am a AWS user. Just wait for a few minutes. You will be seeing some things where I will show you some commands. Okay. Now, all of you see here, what is the AWS user, guys? EC2 user at IP, correct? Now, if I want to move to the root, I will use a command called sudo su. Okay, please write down in your notebook if you don't know. To convert from a normal user to the root user, you write sudo su. Okay, you write sudo su. Now, all of you see here, fdisk -L is the command to check what disks are attached to my system. Guys, are you able to see the 20 GB is attached to my system? Correct? All of you are able to see? And I also told you the BIOS thing. If you see here, BIOS, MBR, right? Some basic bootloadable files. Yes, system files, bootloadable files. And this is the actual hard disk. Same whatever we have discussed. fdisk command is used to check the list of disks. fdisk -L. You can write L is basically, okay, L is basically list all the disks. Increase the font size. Let me do it for you guys. You can take the screenshot of this also, no issues. Everyone clear? You attach the 20 GB here. You have a BIOS. You have a system file system, basically type of the file system. Now tell me, ls-lrta, list all files. Okay. Now, which user I have logged in? Basically, all the system files are with EC2 user. Okay. But I have logged in with a super user, that is root. Correct. Now, all of you see here, I will, okay. You all see here, this is OPT folder, correct? If I come out of this, if you see here, /etc folder, ls-lrta. Now, all of you see here, in the /etc folder, all the software configuration files are stored. You see, services, networks, profiles, see, configuration files, host.conf. If I open this host.conf, okay, it has this only. So basically, all the system related things. Yes, Kishore, that's true. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? Right? And I have also told you, you have something called bin/bin folder. Yes. ls-lrt. Now you see everything will be the heart of the software. The heart of the software, zip software, sync software, wait software, unalias, umask, read software, jobs, hash. These all are CD. You see how you do the CD. Let's say I want to go into CD ... All these things are coming from here only. SSH by bin folder, SFTP, SCP. Everyone clear? Are you clear? Whatever I have shown you in the theory, there's all things are here. This is how the Linux system looks like. Clear, everyone? Yes? Clear? Now, all of you see here, I will clear the screen now. Okay? Clear the screen in the Linux system. I will do cd ... cd ... ls-lrta. Okay. Now, all of you see here, did I talked about this folders? User folder, OPT folder, proc. Very important. I want everyone to have a eye here on proc folder. Let's see what is this proc folder all about. cd/proc ls-lrta. This proc folder is called process folder, right? I'm going to type in the Zoom chat, process folder. Okay, so you see here in the proc folder, the system's data will be there. How much time the system is up? What is the CPU of the system? What is the memory of the system? What are the mounts of the system? What is the file systems of the system? Ashma, wait. You understood till here, everyone? We were trying to go from folder to folder. Everyone understood? Okay. Now, I am talking about one more folder called proc folder. Okay. Proc folder will have all the statistics of the system. When the system was on, when the system was off, who logged in into the system, what is the CPU of the system, what is the memory of the system, all the process related data the system has. Now clear? Clear? Yes? Okay, now all of you see here, I will clear the screen. Let's understand some things now. Okay, let's understand some things. Now, I want to create a user. What will be the command in Linux? User add Praveen. Okay, I want to create a user in Linux. So we discussed about the users. Now, Praveen is what type of user from our theory? Praveen is a root user, normal user or root user. We gave Praveen the root user in the theory. In the theory, we gave Praveen the root user. So let me create a password. See guys, all of you, I will give you a cheat sheet. Okay, Linux cheat sheet. You don't need to by heart these things. Once you go home, sit comfortably and check that cheat sheet. It will be very good for you. Very easy for you. How to create a user, password management, user management, disk management, file management. Everything I'm going to give you. Okay. Now, the user name should have a password. Okay. So this password, I'm going to type something like this. And I'm again going to reconfirm on the system. Okay. Now, yeah, I'm going to share the cheat sheet. Don't worry. Everyone, I'm going to share you all the cheat sheet. Okay. I'm going to share you all the cheat sheet. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. Now all of you see here, I want to go to the Praveen user. Guys, SU. Switch user. Please write down the full form of SU is equal to switch user. In Linux, you can do SU, switch user to Praveen. See, it automatically went into Praveen at. Are you seeing Praveen at? Everyone, guys, see, this is same, na? Praveen at IP address. But Praveen is not a super user. Okay, remember that. So what I will do, I will come back. I'll clear the screen. I will do the CD. Now, all of you see here. Okay. Now, in Linux, there is a concept called CPU management. Okay. In interview, people usually ask, what is CPU? What is memory? How do you manage? One-stop solution for everything in Linux is your top command. When you hit the top command, how much time the system is up? See here, 13 minutes. Okay. In that 9 minutes, it was up. 2 users. Who are the 2 users, guys? Who are the 2 users? One is root user. EC2 user is a actual user of the system. One is root user, one is Praveen user. Load average. How much load the system is taking? Very less. Okay. Now, how many tasks the system is running? 106 tasks in total. In total tasks, only one task the system is running. 105 tasks are sleeping. That is why the CPU is almost negligible. Yes. U means switch user. Sudo switch user, Teja. Yes, htop to read in a proper format. Now, all of you see here, guys, tell me, if the load is more on the system, do you see that the CPU for first 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 15 minutes load averages? Now, can you tell me the first few minutes, right? All the 105 processes are sleeping. So do you think that the CPU will be more or less? In your Windows also, less. Obviously, right? The CPU will be automatically less. Yes or no? So you need to understand whenever we are typing any command to get the real-time data. So the ultimate command will be the top command or okay, htop not. It's not able to find. Okay, now all of you see here. Second user is root user. Manpreet, root user. Now all of you see here, process ID, the PID is process ID, the user is root, right? And these all things we can check later, but we will focus on percentage of CPU, percentage of memory, the time, and the command that is running that process. Okay. Now, very important, if you see the Linux booting process, did we talked about these two? Yes or no? Now, when I showed you in the current system, you saw 105 processes are sleeping. Yes or no? 105 processes are sleeping, and all processes are system D, Kate thread, 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐿, these all are system related things. Okay, we will not go deep, but you need to understand whatever the theory we are covering, all the things we are seeing live demo, live. Okay, whatever you are seeing here, these all things are in terms of live. Okay, now let's understand few more things by looking at various concepts here. Okay, no worries. Just 1 second, I will show you something here. Okay, now let's understand some things here. Say bilingual. Acha. Okay, now all of you see here. See, bilingual means I cannot do bilingual in the class. I cannot talk in Hindi or Telugu, but I'm very much thankful for all of you who are joining from various states, okay, various parts of the country. Now, all of you see here, guys, if you are able to see this cheat sheet, everyone, I will zoom in a little bit. Okay. Just 1 second. Everyone able to see this? Yes. Everyone. Okay, people on YouTube, what you guys are doing? Let's see. Okay, please like the video, guys. So you can see our efforts. Okay, you can like the video. Okay, I will pin this also. Okay, this is my Telugu channel. This is my English channel only. Okay, pin message. Okay, done. Okay, you all can actually see, right? And you all can like the video also, right? All of you see here. Okay, I will delete my Linux system once because you don't do this all the things. Okay, I will tell you in the hands-on class. Once we cover the hands-on, I will tell you. As of now, I will delete my EC2 instance for time being. Okay, deleted, huh? The EC2 instance is deleted. It is getting shutting down. So all of you see here. Okay, now file operations, basic file operations, ls-lh, touch file, copy file, move file, remove file, make directory, copy all the files from one directory to another directory, rm-rf, remove the directory, present working directory, display attribute of the files, wc, count the files, file type, and cd. Now, whenever you want to learn something, this one cheat sheet should be enough for you to start the first step towards your Linux learning. Everyone able to understand? If you want to do the first step towards learning. Okay, still you want me to zoom? Okay, is it clear now? Is it clear, everyone? Able to understand? So see here, if you want to display the file information like size and owner, what you do? You give the command ls-lh. See, owner name, right? File size name when it was created. Okay, so see here, all the things are there. Okay, let's say like text file. Okay, when it was created, who is the owner? Everything will be here. Okay, now if you see little bit down, if you want to work with the file, so let's say I want to create a file in Linux, vim test.txt. Okay, this is one way. Or the second way is cat test.t. Okay, sorry. Okay, cat test.py. When you tell cat, it means that to read a file. Okay, you see here. Okay, there is cat file. Okay, to read or print the contents. See here, print the. Okay, so these all things are very important. Head, when you tell about in next head -n5, what is -n? -n is number of lines. Okay, number of lines. Head means print the first 5 lines of the file. Tail means print the last 5 lines. Okay, yeah, Kriba, we will talk tomorrow, not today. It will be very, very much hectic for new people to understand what is physical volumes, logical volumes, partitions. That's why I have touch base on every concept. Tomorrow, we will deep dive into the partitions. We will do hands-on. Okay, clear, Kriba? Okay, now printing the files. Locate the file. So these all things, if you see, disk management, df-h, disk-free human readable format. Guys, please write down what is df-h. Very important. df-h. Very important. Please see here. Disk-free human readable format. I will write it disk-free human readable format. Is it making sense? How many disks I am having? See, guys, in Mac, system/volume/v1, pre-boot, update, and you can see all the size. Okay, available size 11 GB, 481 MB, 11 GB. Okay, all the disks are also there. Yes, disk-human. Now, did you saw somewhere this fdisk-l? Have you seen this? fdisk-l. Have you seen this? Yes, I've used the command just now. Have you seen cfdisk? Have you seen cfdisk? No. Create partitions. When you want to divide the partitions, you can use cfdisk. lsblk. Please see here. What is this Linux command? lsblk. List. Okay, sorry. lsblk. Okay, in Linux, it is not working. In my Mac, it is not working basically. But in Linux, it will work. Okay. Now, mounting of the files, unmounting of the files, I will discuss tomorrow. Now, process management. Very important. Okay. So tell me one thing. Shall we take 5 minutes break or you want me to continue? What is your take? Shall we take a 5 minutes break? It's important. Break? Break or continue? Okay. I will give you a 5 minutes break. In the break, you all post in LinkedIn. Okay. And tag me. I will be waiting for your notification. And this notification should be crossing the numbers here. Okay. Whatever you want to post it, you can post it, right? And I will be waiting for you all. You can connect with me on LinkedIn And also you can tag me on Instagram also. This is my Instagram ID. I usually share the content of DevOps and SRE and anything jobs and everything I share here. You can connect with me, and people on YouTube, I'm going to share the link here. This is my Instagram. This is my LinkedIn. If you don't know me, that's important, right? If you don't know me, you should know me, right? That's very important for us to understand who is teaching you today, right? So I will replace the pin also. You can check. Okay. Right. And you can connect with me on Instagram. Very quick updates I give here, like what we are going to do, right? How the things are working, how the things are going. So everything I usually share on Instagram. You can see my Instagram. All the things will be there. Okay. You can definitely check here also. Clear? Okay. So let's take 5 minutes break. Time is now 7:17. By 7:23, we will be back. Okay. So we will take a break. And meanwhile, in the break, what is your task? Correct? There should be a task for the break also. Okay. So what you do is you write the disk management commands in your notebook. Okay. Because we have seen df-h, have disk-l, please write it. Okay. We are going to take a 5 minutes break. I will come back soon. Okay. Right. Insta, please. Okay. Insta ID is this one. Okay. Singham for DevOps. You can search. This is Insta ID. Okay. You can tag me. All of you, those who are tagging me, at least 10 people, if you are tagging me on Instagram, I will be putting your post on the wall. Okay. Right. Okay. You can take this. I'll come in 5 minutes. Break is only for 5 minutes. Okay. Come back. Okay. All are back. Recharged yourself in the Sunday evening. Done? No, no, session is not struck. It's only like I have given a break. Okay. Right. So how is the power till now? Good. Everyone able to understand all the things, right? Okay. And one important thing today, right? Few things also we will try to cover, right? And that is your network management, little bit. Okay. Please see here, all of you. Let's start with network management. Okay. You will get more things. Today is very less. Tomorrow's class, we will do hands-on, disk management hands-on, networking management hands-on. Okay, configuration management hands-on, configuration files management hands-on. We will do a little bit hands-on tomorrow. All of you see here, when we talk about Linux networking, there are some commands, ping command. Yeah, you have a website called www.heydevops.in. You want to check whether this website is up or not, right? You do the ping, right? Okay, not this. Maybe unknown host it's telling. Let's see www.heydevops.in. Okay. Now all of you see here, this server is returning me that, okay, boss, there is some issue. There is that your system is timed out, right? So let's say like I do the same thing for www.google.com. All of you see here, it's transferring the bytes, right? It's telling me that, boss, this is the response from a website. Can you tell me what might be the difference between the two websites? It has not given the data back. It has given the data back. What might be the difference? What might be the difference? Any idea? URL. URL is normal. One is global. Okay, what is that? Okay, go ahead. I want to understand from you all why this is not working, why this is working. What might be the reason? Okay, people who are learning Linux for the first time, I want your chat on the screen. What might be the thing? Okay, DNS, first time domain name, security, not understanding. Okay, just 1 second. Huh? You can type your thoughts. I'll come in 1 second. Okay, what might be the reason? Okay, let's write down all the reasons, whatever you are telling me. Okay, I will write down the reason. Very beautiful reasons are here from our friends. We are talking about Linux network. Next topic is we have taken the network management of Linux. Please see here. Where is that process? Okay, here. Yes. So we are going to discuss about now network. A very, very long thing. Okay. So please write down the heading network management in Linux. Now you all told me different things, right? Let me write down all the things. Please see here, amazing responses. So I will just write everything. You just note down. Okay. Whatever is apt, Okay. So please write down. One is telling network connectivity issue. One is telling firewall. One is telling ICMP is not enabled. Okay. Please write down all the things. Troubleshooting, Linux network management, issues. Okay. ICMP is not enabled. Okay. What else? Server is not accepting the request. What else? Website down. Okay. Data packet transferring issue. Okay. Data packet transfer issue. What else? Private and public. Okay. Domain name issue. DNS issue. .com.in. Oh, okay. IPv6 problem. Okay, that's it. All of you see here, guys, whatever you have told, all this are network related. Do you understand? All these issues are network related. And I already told you, see, in one server, my website is running, correct? In another server, Google is running, correct? Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? I am a user from India. From my laptop, I have pinged both the website. Okay, ping. Correct? One website worked and the other didn't work. I asked you what might be the reason, and you told me network connectivity issue, firewall issue, website down, private and public issue, IPv6 issue, DNS issue, .in.com. You also told me this difference. Port is busy, ICMP not available, server not accepting the request, data packet transfer issue, region issue. So you guys are telling all the issues which are taken up in the troubleshooting of network in Linux. Everyone clear? So anytime you have a network issue, you find all these things. How do you troubleshoot? How to troubleshoot the network issue? Any idea? What are the commands? Okay, let's understand. Linux commands to troubleshoot the network. Okay, beautiful. Now, how many of you use ChatGPT? Are you using ChatGPT? No? Let's see what ChatGPT has to tell you. Okay, please see here. Linux network troubleshooting commands. All of you see here. Okay. So basically, if you see ping, traceroute, ifconfig, IPA, IPlink, netstat, SS, NSLOOKUP, dig route. So guys, one-stop solution for your Linux network learning. All these issues, whatever you have seen on the screen, all of your eyes on the screen, all these issues, whatever you have seen, can be solved with what? Can be solved with what? With the help of Linux commands troubleshooting. Amazing, right? Are you feeling like learning something new? We understood from two websites that one is down, one is up. And I told you that this is how the troubleshooting happens. And I'm telling you that these all commands, whichever you are seeing on the screen, are used to learn. Okay, this is not coming. Okay. Are used for what? To troubleshoot all the things. Okay, it's not taking here also. Let me put it on YouTube. If it takes, it's good. No, it's not taking. Okay, where we will put it? Where you want me to put it? In the class theory documents? Shall I put it? This entire data, which you have got from ChatGPT. Okay, ping. You ping the server. Trace route displays the packets. Let's say trace route google.com. What it will give? Please see here. It will give me the packets of details. Okay, see here. What does trace route does for me? Trace route displays the path packets to take to a remote server, useful for identifying where the delays and failures are occurred. Routing the trace. Okay, you are tracing the route. Okay, tracing the route. That makes sense to you, right? You are tracing the route. Okay, you can copy all the text in a neat format by clicking copy. Yeah, that's what I need to put somewhere, right? Yes. So what I will do, I will put it in the document itself. Okay, I will put everything in the document. Is it clear? Yes. Okay, NS lookup. Please see here, whenever you have, okay, beautiful. So guys, how many servers it is reaching? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So different kinds of servers. It is hopping. It is going from one server to another, one place to another place to get me the data. So let's say I use NS lookup. NS lookup google.com. Server address, name, what is the actual data point from where we are getting the data. So basically this gives the DNS of the server, domain name server. Okay. Name is this one. IP address is this one. Clear? So this is how the network management is done. Are you all good with whatever we have discussed till now? See, my way of teaching will be very simple, yet you will understand every concept very clearly. Yes, we started from somewhere. We reached to the network management in Linux with one solution, one problem. You only told me you are facing this issues. That's why the website is not able to reach. And how to troubleshoot? I've given you the commands also. Make sense, everyone? Yes. Yes or no? Everyone. Good. Okay. Do you want me to still continue? I will continue. Or you want me to take you to the documents where you will get documents, where you will learn other things? I can show you that also. I don't have issues. You want me to continue? I can go to the next topic and continue still a little bit. But if you want to stop me here, I will stop it. I will go over the documents. I will show you where you can learn from the documents. It's up to you. Okay, let's go over the documents once. Okay. Yes. Let me show you. What about people on YouTube? Okay, people on YouTube, because you have not joined the class, you will not be able to get the documents. Okay. So what I am going to tell you is, I'm going to show you in YouTube. Okay. Or let's go over the. You will be able to understand. Okay. So I will just stop my screen share to take out the documents. We will do the documents walkthrough so that it will be easy for you when you watch it later or when you try to analyze it later. Okay. Okay. All of you see here. I'm going to share my screen. Okay. Guys, all of you are able to see my screen? Yes or no? Quickly. Everyone is able to see? Yes. Good. Now, all of you see here, we are going to talk about Linux engineer roles and responsibilities. One by one, you see. System administration. You saw, right? How many flavors of OS we have? CentOS, Ubuntu, Red Hat, Debian, Fedora. And you also understand a Linux engineer manages CPU, memory, disk, network. In this, we have seen CPU, we have seen memory, we have disk, we have network. Did you saw all the four things today? Yes. Yes, everyone. Good. Automation and scripting. It will be in the coming classes. CI/CD pipeline management, again in the coming classes. Containerization and orchestration in the coming classes. Version control management in the coming classes. Infrastructure as a code in the coming classes. Cloud management in the coming classes. Monitoring and logging. So what you have understood, a Linux is the basic foundation of everything that you are seeing in DevOps. How many of you agree with me? You agree with me? Linux is the basic foundation at any. How many of you agree? All of you? Yes? Everyone? What about people on YouTube? Do you agree with me or you think that, Arey, no, yaar, no, you are telling something. What do you think? And guys, basic. Okay, one more thing. You can share my YouTube channel with your friends in the WhatsApp groups. If you found today's content very useful, from very basics, we have come to advanced. Tomorrow, we will do the hands-on of advanced part. You can share in the class. If you have WhatsApp groups, you can tell that this guy is teaching very good. If you felt good, this guy has content in his mind. He's not going over the slides. So you can tell to your friends. Okay. And you can tell to them that, boss, follow his channel. And if each one of you can get me 10 subscribers, we are going to hit very soon a good number. Okay. You can do, all of you can share my YouTube channel link if you found like, okay, this guy teaches very easily. Correct. This guy teaches good. This guy teaches. Okay. I'm able to understand, right? So if you are from college, you can share it in your college groups. You can put it a WhatsApp status also. And in the LinkedIn also, you can state all the things. You can click on the link. You don't need to copy. If you click on this YouTube link, it will take you to this video. Clear, everyone? Now, all of you see here, there are some basic information about the file system management. You have to go over this. Okay. So whatever we have discussed today, I have already attached. You can see here, there are some commands to create. There are some commands to play with the file system. There are some commands to manage the logical volumes, which we will see tomorrow in the class. Okay. But don't worry. You have the documents you can see here. Okay. So if you want me to go over the Linux file system hierarchy, this is how the hierarchy looks like. We have already discussed in the class. You can just see some hands-on data files. Cat, what is cat doing? What is touch doing? What is mkdir? Whatever you have seen in the cheat sheet, almost all the things will be here. Okay, very big document. Very big documents on Linux. Okay, but all this big document, see, do you agree with me? All this big document I have taught you in a very small manner. Process management. Did you saw PID? Okay, this is a very big document. But if you see almost every concept, almost all every concept, let's say like DNS we have seen, okay, client-side configuration. Packages we will see tomorrow. Obviously, I have not touched, but most of the things will be covered for you. Okay. And one more document, as I have told you, the cheat sheet part also you will get it. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? Yes. Great. Now I will record one small clip from you all. Okay. I will record a small, very small clip. Yes, documents will be given to you. Relax, buddy. Where the documents will be? The documents will be in this place, www.kdevops.in. Login, go to course tab or purchase tab. Either of one tab will be there. Click on free course module. Go to session-wise data. Is it clear, guys? Everyone? Login into the website. Go to course tab. Go to purchase tab. Click on free course, session-wise data. Guys, documents are not downloadable. You will not get recordings also for your information. Okay. So YouTube has the recording. You can check from there. Okay. Clear, everyone? Recordings will not be given because, this is a free class. Okay. And to store the recordings, it will take cost for us. Are you able to understand, everyone? Yes. So those who are joining live class, you can see or you can watch my YouTube video. Okay. To store the recordings, it's huge data. 3 hours class. You see 1 GB to store 1 GB of data in cloud. How much they charge, right? So recordings will not be given to you. Only you will have the theory documents. And if you want to see for your information, I am trying my best to give you recordings also. Yeah. I am in talks with team. Many of you have pinged over various places. Okay. To give recordings. I am in talks with team. Fortunately, if team agrees, we can go. If they are not agreeing, please don't feel bad. Okay. Yeah. Few documents will be downloadable. Few documents will not be downloadable. Clear? Now, point number 2. All of you clear where you can access the documents? Yes, all of you? Guys, all of you clear where you can access the documents? Good. Now, all of you see here, once you have accessed the documents, once you have gone all the things, okay. How many of you are joining tomorrow for hands-on? Yes, everyone? We will do networking hands-on and we will do disk management hands-on. We will do some configuration management hands-on. Everyone? Good, beautiful. Right. Now, I will record a small clip. Okay, all of you see here. This is my phone. I'm going to record a small clip. You tell me, how was today's class? Okay, when I ask you a question, how was today's class? You put whatever you feel like. Okay, and then people on YouTube, you also put anything you feel like. Clear? Shall we do it? Okay. On the count of 1, 2, 3. Okay. On the count of 1, 2, 3. Okay. We have started our free DevOps course 2025. Okay. And here is what people have to say. How was the class today, guys? Amazing. Good. Awesome. Superb. Excellent. And people on YouTube, guys, how was it? Oh my God. Oh my God. The chats are fully flooded. Okay. That's great. I hope that you have learned something new from today's class, right? And I will try my best to give you recordings. I will definitely talk with the people. Okay. And I will help you the best, right? Fantastic. Good. Awesome. Right. Okay. The chats are flooded. Awesome. Awesome. Love you all. Love you guys from all over the world, those who are watching me. Truly appreciate your time to stay with me for long 2 hours close to, right? And I feel very much proud to see you all that you guys are with me. Okay, right. So let me tell you all, you guys are anyways going to get recordings, and those who are till the end of the class, your what you call your attendance at 8 p.m. will be taken. Yes, attendance at 8 p.m. will be taken automatically. If you are in the class, the system will take your attendance. Okay, you don't need to worry. If you are till 8 p.m. because the class is from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m., your attendance will be taken. Excellent. Good. Now, there are few more documents which you have to complete before coming tomorrow. All of you are able to understand, right? Complete the Git basics document. At least once you are coming tomorrow, please complete this Git basics document. Okay, at least go over things and complete this Linux commands document. All of you clear, guys? Before you come to the tomorrow's class, I want you all to complete day 1 and day 2 and day 3 Linux things along with, see, whatever Linux you see, you try to complete it. Make sense, everyone? Yes, you have to spend time on website and only use website to log in, guys. Okay, only use website to log in. Now, all of you see here, guys, one important information for you. Now, you all like the class, right? You all like the class. So let me tell you first some things. Okay, please see here. So this is our placements record, the track record of placements. Okay, in the last few years, I have been continuously teaching DevOps for students. So you see here, Nidish Abraham, okay, from Romania. He has got Microsoft. If you want to search his name on LinkedIn, let me do it right away. Okay, in front of you. If he is there, if he is real person or not. Nidish, what is his name? Okay, Tomar is also Nidish, right? Yeah. Everyone clear? Yes. Okay. So let's see some other students also. Abhishek Pendimi. What is it? Abhishek Pendimi, right? So let me search. I'm expecting he should be also there on LinkedIn. Right? Okay, not there on LinkedIn. Abhishek ABHI SHEK Pen. Okay, he's not there. Okay, he's not there. Leave him. Okay. Divya Vadla. Let's see if she is there. DIVYAVADL. Okay, she is the girl. Okay, she is the girl. You can connect with her. Okay, who else is there? I am not sure. Other IDs. Suraj Kumar Gupta. Okay, let's see Suraj Kumar Gupta. Suraj Kumar Gupta. Okay, production engineer. Okay, production engineer, right? So who else? You can find all the names on LinkedIn. Okay, Nikhil Nielsen, all the names will be on LinkedIn. Okay, so now all of you listen here. I am starting batch 11, guys. Okay, all of you see here. Let me tell you, in another 2 minutes, I will take your precious time and I will tell you few things. I am starting batch 11 from March 2nd week. Okay. Harshit Srivastava, please don't flood the chat. Okay, I understand. Please wait. Okay. Now, all of you see here, this batch is going to start in next 2 weeks. Okay, and I am going to teach you all the basics to advanced concepts. What are you getting in this? Please see here. From Linux to DevSecOps CI/CD pipelines, to Docker, to Azure, to your Jenkins master slave, Jenkins, Kubernetes, API gateways, load balancers, Route 53, 3-tier application, Kubernetes, catch endpoints in dashboard, learn jars, create pipelines, Linux networking. Advanced, it means the free course is just the maybe you can understand, it's good to sit in interview, but to crack interview, you need the core concepts. In this batch, you are going to get AWS and Azure, both. I'm going to create the entire infra of Azure. and teach you from basics to advanced Azure. And I'm going to create the entire infra in AWS, and I'm going to teach you from basics to advanced Python. All of you will get coding questions from me. Okay. And not only this, you are going to get all the real-time scenarios of Kubernetes, Docker, Jenkins file. My promise is that you don't need to learn from anywhere if you are knowing these things from me. Okay. And because I have cracked almost all the companies, I'm going to give you the interview questions, which you will not find anywhere. Okay. Not only this, this batch starts from March 2025. Almost 20 projects close to I will teach you. Live doubt session will be there. Live doubts. I will come in live and teach you. Live one-to-one mentorship classes will be there. Almost 30 assignments you will learn from me. Certificate of completion for all the students of batch 11, downloadable resources. All the resources will be downloadable and class recordings will be available. The timings of this batch is morning 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. IST. Morning batch. This is morning batch. We will start with DevOps and SRE fundamentals. We will go with CI/CD. We will go with Docker and Kubernetes. We will go with Python, Kubernetes Advanced, Terraform, then Python, then Red Hat Linux System Administration, Ansible, Azure. We'll go with LinkedIn profile, resume building. And these are the projects all of you see here. We will start with DevSecOps project. We will move to the project with pipeline monitoring. We will move to Kubernetes. We will move to 3 microservice deployments. We will move to 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐂𝐨𝐮𝐫𝐬 Jaeger monitoring of Kubernetes. We will move to 𝐅𝐫𝐶D GitOps. We will move to Python coding. We will go to Kubernetes project again, custom resource definition, little bit more advanced, which I have been using in Walmart. We will go with Helm charts. We will go with Prometheus, Grafana, Elk stack combination. We will go with Terraform and AWS. We'll go with shell scripting, because very important shell scripting is, we'll go with Azure, multi-cloud. Nowadays, every JD is multi-cloud. We will understand Java Spring Boot application with Splunk. So almost all SRE tools and DevOps tools, I will teach you in batch 11. Not only this, guys, you are going to get my resumes from Infosys, Walmart, Verizon. Okay, my Walmart resume I'm going to share with you, my Infosys resume, my Verizon resume. And whatever the projects we are going to cover, I am going to teach you from basics to advanced. Okay. And not only this, these all tools you will learn from me. These all tools you will learn from me. And for your information, if I show you, my students have placed in Walmart. How many of you know that? See here, very long back. Okay. Very long back. If you see, when I was working with Walmart, okay, my student, proud, right? He has taken with me picture, right? And not only this, we are conducting meetups. Batch 9 also came for meetup. Batch 10 also came for meetup. Okay, batch 10, batch 9, we have Microsoft meetup. They have came. Now, let me tell you one important thing. You are going to get dedicated one-to-one mentorship also in this batch. Okay, targeted audience for batch is basics to advanced, fresher, non-IT, domain change, and anyone who is below 13 years to 15 years of experience. Now, very important, because you all are my members of community. I'm going to give you for today this prize for first 10 people. Only for first 10 people. Tomorrow, if you are joining this class, the free class hands-on Linux system, the price will be changed. Okay. So first 10 people, when you click on book your seat, you will see this early bird coupon is applicable. And how many of you are looking out for job change? How many of you are actively looking out for job change? Can you all tell me? Like, okay, how many of you? Madhavi? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, almost 10 people are looking for job change. Let's say like resume, like my Walmart resume. You don't want to wait for the live sessions. You want to prepare from my projects, which I have already taken up for recorded videos of batch 10. In the recorded videos, you will have recorded videos, and you will also have the documents. You will have my interview questions, everything you will have. And for one-to-one mentorship, you can click here. If you don't need this, this is one-time purchase only. Afterwards, you cannot get as a combo pack. Okay. So all of you, I'm going to give you the batch 11 link. First 10 people, those who are in this live, not for YouTube people, only for people in the class, only for people in the class. First 10 people, not for YouTube people. I'm not going to share this link on YouTube also. For the first 10 people, I'm going to take you in today. Okay, in Hyderabad, in Bangalore, people are charging lakhs of rupees, 20,000, 30,000 of rupees. Okay, timings of the class, you can see here morning 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. IST. Doubts clearing session, assignments, projects, dedicated mentorship. I'm going to teach you from scratch to advanced. Now, I'm waiting for 10 people, those who are weekends and weekday. Weekday, it will be on Wednesday, weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Same. So every week, 3 classes will be there. Okay, for 10 hours. Okay, right. CSE student, EEE student, anyone can enroll for batch 11. Okay, so I'm counting in. How many of you will join with me? How many? Because recordings are also there. Yes. Yes, Mustafa, you can join, definitely. Okay, English, it will be in English, right? It will be in English. Weekday, only one day, doubts clearing session. If you don't have doubts, you don't need to join. Okay. Yes, Raja, you can shift to DevOps with 16 years of experience. Okay. Now, I will count the number. Okay. Once you are enrolling, please let me know. Yes, you can join. You can join. Abhishek, yes, you can join. Anusha, you can join. Everyone can join, right? Only 10 people. Okay. Now, once you are enrolling, you can let me know your name. I will call out your name, right? And give you access to talk with me. Okay. Right. You can join. Okay. Praveen, you can join. Yes. Final year students, many students, freshers have also got placed. Brother, please see here. Please see here. I'll show you the placement, placement stories. Freshers have also got placed. It depends sometimes, like not everyone is lucky enough to get jobs, right? Yes. Yes, you can switch. Okay. Those who are enrolling, you can let me know your name. I will call out your name and give you access to talk. Yes. Okay. Already joined batch 6. Good. Good. Rahul, Roll Penna, enroll. Good. Okay. It is starting from March 15 or March 3rd week, mostly. Okay. We will complete that. Yes. DevOps, can I still continue, sir? Sir, I am a student. I am currently on batch 9 of your DevOps course. Can I still continue that, sir? Yes, you can continue. Raja is my nickname. Yes, you can enroll, all of you. Yes, I am in Telugu batch. Okay, you all are my previous students only. Guys, you all have come from different, what you say, like different classes, different. All of you are telling, I am from this batch, I am from this batch, I am from this batch. Okay, you're from batch 9, you're from batch 8. Again, you joined the live sessions. I'm from batch 6. Okay, how many of you are from my previous batch? I'm opening the chat to everyone. Tell me how many of you, like in this live, how many of you are from previous batch? Okay, Anjali, batch 2. Guys, you all are, why you want to join again? Why you want to join again? Huh? Okay, why? Why you guys are here? Now, I'm just asking you, why you guys are here again? Like you have already joined batch 8, batch 10. So to learn DevOps, gain more knowledge. They didn't understand. Okay, brush up. Okay, DevOps field. Okay, technical, you want to transition still. Okay, good. Okay. I am new, joined for the first time. Okay, great. So guys, who are the 10 people, those who are willing to join with me? Duration, 2 months, guys. Okay, it will be till May. Yes, recordings in batch 11, we are going to give. So you don't need to worry. We are going to give recordings of batch 11 also. Okay, we are going to give recordings of batch 11. It will be a live morning class, 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. IST. Okay, how many of you are? 10 people only. Okay, okay. If you have enrolled, you can let me know your name. I will reduce the count. Okay. Okay, 9 people have registered. Yes, you can achieve that. You can achieve that. Practice today. Today you have to practice Linux commands, which I have shared. Okay. YouTube people, what is your take? Okay. People are asking, can you send the link in YouTube too? Okay. So let me share this link. If anyone wants to enroll, you can let me know your name, enroll for batch 11. Okay. And please see here, this coupon is only valid for 10 people. Now 9 people. Okay. 9 people. Okay. Yes. I have shared the batch 11 link. All of you can enroll, those who are interested. Definitely. Okay. And the platform to learn will be Azure. Okay. So you will have, all of you, those who are joining batch 11 will have an Azure account. Okay. With you. And you will also have a AWS account, because 2 clouds we are converting. So you should be having both the things with you. Okay. Yes, Azure also you will cover. So those who are joining batch 11, let me tell you Azure login. Okay, so let me log in into the Azure. Let me show you what we will do in Azure. If I have the credentials like last time I was having, let's see. Will it take me to the login portal? Okay, okay. Okay, let me sign in with GitHub. I will just tell you what exactly we will do here. But meanwhile, you can enroll yourself, right? And once you have enrolled, you can let me know. I will reduce the count. Yes, good. Abhishek, that's good. So all of you see here, this is the Azure portal. Are you seeing? Okay, Mohan has did. Okay, so Mohan has put this message. So 8 people, we are left with 8 people. Okay, so you can enroll yourself. Okay, so all of you see here, this is Azure portal, right? In this Azure portal, I'm going to teach you complete infra of Azure with one single mega project, where we are going to see what are subscription, resource groups, virtual network, virtual machine, storage, Kubernetes, load balancers, everything, guys. Everything I'm going to tell you in Azure. Very beautiful project. And AWS, anyways, like what we are going to cover: EC2 load balancers, RDS, S3 buckets, Boto3 automation, cloud formation templates, Elastic Kubernetes service. So you see all these things we are going to cover. Like if I see view all services, almost all the services like container service, storage service, database service, right? These all services we are going to cover. Clear? Batch 10 only, guys, listen here. If you are enrolling for batch 11, if you want the mentorship also, you can take that, right? Provided book your seat. You can opt here for recorded videos. These are recorded videos. If you want batch 10, right? If you see that, okay, Praveen, I will take the recorded videos and I will take the, what is that? You say like, I will take the other videos also. What you have to do is, you want both. Let's say I want recorded, I want live. So you select this. If you say that, Praveen, I need a one-to-one mentorship also, you can take this. 2 years access for this entire batch 11. Okay. And you are going to get recordings also in the batch 11, because you are paying the cost for this, right? So 14 project, 2 months duration, highest package. Okay. One-to-one mentorship. Let's say you want to, you have some doubt. Okay. When you are going for job, or when you are hunting for job, and you are not able to understand anything, at that point of time, you can opt for this. We will share you a separate link to book any slot that you need. Okay, Manideep? Once you book the slot, I will come on that meeting. You ask all your queries. We can have 2 meetings or we can have 1 meeting. Anything is up to you. And not only that, your resume reviews dedicatedly. Like you have opted for one-to-one. So I will make sure you are understanding everything and I'm leaving the meeting. Right? And not only that, if you are taking this one-to-one, more than meeting also, I will help you. Okay. Yes. Recorded, you can opt for recorded also. That should be fine. Okay. So also Ramdan Kareem, everyone. What is this Ramdan Kareem? I'm not sure. Okay. 8 slots if anyone is interested. you can opt for this on YouTube. Okay, Azure and everything I have told you. What else we are left? Okay, Azure, I have also shown you like what exactly we are going to do and all those things. Terraform also I have told you, right? Difference between, see, free, let me tell you, in free, you are not going to get all the things which are there in the paid. Paid is more of a job, right? You want a job, you have to have batch 11 with you, right? You want to have a job, you have to have batch 11 with you. I worked in a startup company. We are using Azure DevOps for manual testing. Excel, I want to switch in 1 year experience, want to switch company. Yes, you can, done. You can definitely enroll. Okay, sorry, not 9 people. Guys, 7 people. Okay, 7 people. I see that Shweta has also joined. Okay, last 7 people, guys. Okay, people on YouTube, you can definitely check. Okay, last 7 people. Okay, Sanjay has also enrolled. 6 people, Hiren, 6 people, 6 people. I will change, update it, and we can wind up the session once the slots are completed, because we have to roll out for the people also, right? 6 people slots are there, and we will wind up this class. Next 6 people. For Raja, yes. Batch 10, recorded videos. Batch 10 has already been completed. Batch 11 is live sessions. Okay. Batch 11 is live sessions. Okay. You cannot take only recorded. Okay. Able to get cheat sheet. Harshit, I am going to share the cheat sheet. Don't worry, brother. Okay. This document which you are seeing here, if you are there in the attendance, this document you will receive. Don't worry. Okay, brother. Clear? Makes sense, everyone. Harshit, brother, I'm going to share this. Are you happy now, please? Are you happy? If we miss a live class, will I have the access to recordings in batch 11? Yes. Shravan? Yes. If I opt for only course without recording option, can I get the current course recording? What is this? Nikhil Raj. No, Nikhil. That is not possible. Okay. Okay, that is not possible. Okay, final 6 people, guys. Okay, give your names. I will wait for the 6 people. Okay, give your names. Who are registering? Ramu Bhai, you watch only the current one. Okay, you have already met me in Microsoft. So you watch only the current one. That should be okay for you, because your case is completely different, Ramu. Okay, you have not completed 12th, correct? Na? So you have to first at least join some company in your local, get some idea. Okay. Okay. Now give me your names. Who wants to enroll? I will wait for those 6 people, and then we can wind up the class for today. And tomorrow, hands-on, we will see again. Okay. We will see again. Tomorrow, hands-on, we will see again. Okay. So Linux, most of the things we have covered. And this configuration files and everything also, I will share you as part of the document only. I will prepare the document right away and pass it to team. They will upload to your portal. And each one of you, those who have the attendance today, you will receive all this content to your website. Okay, those who have enrolled. So again, I am going to tell you, in your website, you are going to get all the things like this. Okay, like day-wise documents here. Under the week 1, you are going to get all the things like with your attendance. If you are there with the attendance, you will automatically see the documents here under week 1. Okay, and tomorrow we are going to do hands-on. So request everyone to join accordingly. Okay, right. Okay, last 6 people, guys. Give your name, brother. Advait. Okay, Advait. Next. Bharadwaj. Okay, next. 4 more. Chakravarti. Okay, you guys are doing the enrolling. Okay. Ashma. Okay, next. Ashrit. Okay, done. So guys, Ashma, Vivek, Ashrit, and few others, you guys complete your enrollment, and we will talk to you. If you have any queries, we are going to talk with you also. Okay. Right. Yes, you are going to get certification also. You are going to get certification from this batch 11. Batch 10, sorry, this class, only with the help of the recordings, sorry, with the attendance you are going to give. Okay. Okay. AI tools, see, when we are meeting as a meetup, right? So all of you see here, if you are able to see, I can just show you the glimpse where batch 10 came. Just see this. You will be able to understand how the things are. Okay. You can see this meetup where our batch 10. Okay. So this is also batch 10 student. All are batch 10 students. So batch 11, those who are joining, we will have one more meetup. Okay. Only for batch 11 people. Okay. No, Venugopal. Hello, everyone. It's not that much. Okay. So I think you are seeing something different. Okay. Coupon code expired or what? Venu is telling it's showing 12,999. No. Just see. It's not like that. Okay. You can see all the Microsoft video. This I see that every off. Okay. Batch 10. These all students and batch. Not this guy. They are from different colleges. Yes. If you want to enroll for batch 11, I have already shared you link. 5 people left. Okay. 5 people. 5 people. Yes. I will wait for you guys. But see here how the Microsoft meetup happened. Okay. Meanwhile, you can register. I have 4 years of experience in mainframe. Is it possible to manage work with that experience? Yes, definitely. Definitely. That will help you. Yes, EMI option is also there. Those who want to opt for EMI. Okay, Venkatraman. Done. That's 10 people. Okay, 5 people left. You can yes, we can switch to EMI option is also there. Automatically in the payment page. Okay, automatically in the payments page, it will come for you to EMI. You can opt for the EMI. Batch 11 will start in another 2 to 3 weeks. Prerequisites will be added and some additional documents will be added in batch 11. You have to complete all those things before the actual classes starts. Coupon code is early bird. Already the coupon code is shared for 5 people. You can enroll. Okay. I worked in a startup company. We are using Azure DevOps for manual testing, and my roles and responsibilities in that company: ticket raising, new users, convert scripts, Excel, create report using Excel. Okay, most of the things, Jaya Chandrika, you are doing on Azure, and ticket raising, creating users, all those things are gone. Getting a job with creating users, projects, converting scripts, very difficult, very difficult. Okay, if you want to upskill, this is the time for batch 11. And those who are opting for one-to-one mentorship, let me tell you, I'm going to definitely help you. Like we have a separate call and all those things, right? So that will be helping you much. Okay. So let me check how is this YouTube live going on. Okay. So let me see. Let me see. How is this? Okay, not videos. Okay, guys, I forgot to tell you, she is our batch 6 students. Okay, she is my batch 6 student. She got laid off. She got 5 offer letters. Okay. She got laid off. She got 5 offer letters, my batch 6 students. You can listen from her entire podcast. She cried on road. Okay. She messaged me immediately. Okay, she messaged me like, sir, okay, and a few of you, those who are from outside country, you will have different pricing. Okay, based on your geographical location, the pricing will be changed. So you can take that. Bhanu, what error you are getting? Yes, it will be definitely helping you. Bhanu, what error you are getting, Bhanu Priya? And a few of you, those who are from outside country, you will have different pricing. Okay, recorded videos are only given with this batch 11. Okay, market is having lot many opportunities. Archana, I already showed many times. I know your name also, Archana. You always have a doubt whether market is having jobs or not. Market is having so many jobs. Yes, Nagababu, it's because you're from outside India, right? To maintain the server cost and all, to access the website, you have to pay that one. Yes, debit card EMI is also there. You can check that. You can check that. Okay. So all of you see here, different kinds of opportunities are there. You can see as per your experience, apply as per your experience. Don't worry. Okay, Teja, I'm seeing your message. You can ask your question. Okay, sure. Umar there. Sure. Okay. Above I mentioned, Teja, what you mentioned. Can you put that message again? Sorry. Okay, still I am thinking I will get job probability. Why? Because I was a technical engineering graduate after see, you don't have a job from 2023, Teja, right? So Teja is asking like, I don't have a job from 2023. I graduated and I'm still developing the ideas or knowledge. Very difficult. You have to upskill very soon. Yes, only on weekends because weekends and weekday, weekday 1 day. Correct? Mechanical. That's what I'm telling. Okay, subscribe for batch 11. Fatima Apsha is telling. Okay, Fatima Ashfa is telling this message. Subscribe for batch 11. So excited to learn with you. Wish me good luck. I am wishing good luck for all the students, not only for batch 11, those who are with me on my YouTube, on my platform, on my LinkedIn. Everywhere you see, people are spreaded over all the platforms for us. So see here in today's, you see, all are our students only. See, right? The chats, the notifications have been filled up. See, all are our screenshots only, if you see, correct? So I always wish every student of mine, right, always get jobs. Okay, Bhanu, you are getting an error for the transaction. Don't worry, you can share your error here with the screenshot, what error you are getting, right? Bank decline. Are you doing from India or outside India? Yes, Charan, your question is visible. Yes, SAP, very less package. You can actually come to DevOps. Bank side error, those who are getting bank side error, you can opt for UPI, okay? Or you can try with another card. Have kept notes for free course. I want to register for paid one. Another book. Yeah, another book. Okay, guys, those who have enrolled for batch 11, you have to keep one more new book. Don't mix your free course with the paid course. Okay. Weekends. Bharadwaj, it's on weekends. Okay. Fresher, little bit difficult, but let's try to have something for freshers also. Okay. So that's very important, right? Okay, last 5 people. Okay, Nikhil
Fresher, little bit difficult.
Okay, last 4 people, guys. Okay, last 4 people. We are done almost. And I'm just waiting for last 4 people to be with me in batch 11 for early bird coupon. Okay. Okay, why? Okay, last 4 people. Come on. Everyone, those who are interested, you can enroll yourself. Oh, book my seat, I assume. Okay. So this ID, I always get messages. I don't know whose ID is this. Okay. Hi, Praveen. I am having an interview on Red Hat SRE OpenShift. What kind of questions I can expect? Gaurav, see here. I'll tell you. Go to ChatGPT. Very simple. OpenShift you want, right? Error. Nagababu, try with UPI or any other card. Okay. Bhanupriya, yes, I understand you have an error. Nagababu has an error. Can you guys try with UPI, please, if you don't mind? Okay. Okay, all of you see here, he asked me a question. Sorry. What is that? Red Hat OpenShift interview questions. Okay, I have hit this. What is OpenShift? What are the key components of OpenShift? What is the difference between Kubernetes? What is pod? What is a deployment config in OpenShift? These all are basics. Let's see. Okay, intermediate. Good. What is building config in OpenShift? What is OpenShift continuous integration, continuous deployment? How the OpenShift manages secrets? Explain OpenShift cluster and node architecture. Okay, one last time, Banu. Can you try with card? Anything if you have. Stateful set in OpenShift. Okay, these are intermediate questions, advanced questions. So, brother, did you got Red Hat OpenShift interview questions? At least little bit. Have you understood? Someone asked me this question, right? Yes. Sai, you asked. No, Ratnagiri. No, it will not work. Who asked this question? Red Hat OpenShift. You have Red Hat interview, right? Karan Doshi. I am working in product support for last 4 years. Change management, some Linux basic maintenance like checking property files, etc. Firing, monitoring. Yes, it's possible. And friends are demotivating me. There are no much jobs. See, fresher never to get disappointed because for fresher coming out of a world is literally getting difficult. Coming out of world, getting a job is literally difficult, but that is not the end, right? Chaitanya, someone is telling something, let them say, you do your work. That's what my prime goal is. Okay, guys, last 4 seats. Okay, let's call out the names again. Okay, last 4 people, I want your name. I want your team. Will you help me to do payment? Yes, Bhanu. If you have sent out the email, they will take care. Okay, no worries. Okay. If anyone is having payment issues, you can mail to the support team. Okay, they will take care. If needed, they will connect with you and solve your question. Will you help in resume prep? Yes, brother Bharadwaj. Okay, please see here. I will share my resumes and I will help you to hunt for job. Resume preparation, mock interviews also I am going to take. Rupali, same way you saw today's class, all the batch 11 classes will be in that way only. I don't use slides. I will teach everything what I know. Nagbabu, yes, you are getting. Okay, who will be the last 4 people, guys? I am going to wind up the session sharp in another 5 minutes. And all your attendance will be recorded. Last 4 people. Kishan, okay, one. Last 4 people, guys. Another 5 minutes. We are going to wind up the session. Come on, last 4 people. DSA is little bit needed. Yes. Okay. One more thing. Someone said DSA. In our website, if you see, we have added all the DSA related things also in the company. If you see the company wise interview questions, all of your eyes on the screen, guys. Those who want to learn coding, please see here. You have different companies coding questions only for coding. Let's say I want to target Cisco. You come here, you see here, it will take you to this. Clear? It's good, right? For you to learn from basics to advanced. It's very clear for you. Okay, you can see this also. Okay, now I would only need 4 people names, guys. I cannot always shout. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay, I have enrolled for batch 11. Now I want to get batch 10 recordings as Holy Ramzan month started. Not able to. Oh, okay. You enrolled for batch. Okay, Umer, if you enrolled for batch 11, didn't opted for batch 10, you email us. Okay, we will help you with that. Okay. Arey Teja, I have seen your message. I know that you are a graduate 2023. You are not doing any work. I already told you if you are enrolling for class, you can upskill. Yes, you can upskill, no issues. And all of you see here, you can always prepare different kinds of companies interview questions from this website itself. Yes, you can enroll. Chaitanya, you can definitely enroll. Okay, definitely enroll. Okay, people on YouTube, last 4 people. Anyone else? Will batch 11 have Zoom slots limit? No, batch 11 will not have Zoom slots limit. Okay, that's one thing I missed to inform you. Batch 11, because it's a paid, those who are paying, all of you are in our batch 11. Okay, yes. Okay, great. Last 4 people. Yes, they asked DSA. That's why I have kept this DSA questions for you. Okay. Materials will be available for 2 years. Okay, from the date of plan, for 2 years it will be available. Okay. Thank you, Avis. Yeah. Notes for this session, I have already told you, will be updated by 9:30 p.m. sharp today. Okay, 9:30 to 10 p.m. it will be uploaded. Okay, last 3 people, guys. Okay, this is changed to last 3 people. And anyone who is enrolling, you can let me know your name. Okay. And meanwhile, I will reply to all the LinkedIn people, those who have tagged me. You can enroll. If you have any issues, you can let me know. Day one Linux basics in one go, Praveen Singampalli. Okay, cool. So let me connect with Ravi Teja Reddy. Okay. Oh, Mu Sigma and then software engineer. Okay. Right. He has put efforts to learn. That's great to see your efforts for okay, good. Right. Bhanu, that is not possible. Okay, every payment has to go via phone. Sorry, via website only. Okay, but no worries. Yeah, team will take care. You don't need to worry. Okay, you are now our student only. We will take care. Okay. Okay. One thing. All of you see here for free course documents will be uploaded by 11 10 p.m. mostly 10 p.m. it will be uploaded. Okay. Okay. Praveen, I have sent you a request on LinkedIn, mentioned your name in post. Kalyan Srinivas. Okay, let's see. Kalyan Srinivas. Okay, guys, I am waiting for last 3 people. If you have any questions, I am waiting to take your questions also. Right? This will be the final call and we can wind up this session for today. Yes, can you give a brief about tools? All the tools which you are seeing in the website, I'll be teaching you. So you don't need to worry. Yes, yes, you can end the session, Samuel. Yes. Okay, Nagababu and Bhanupriya, you both are getting errors. I have already shared you the email, right? You can send the email to them and we will get the details. Okay. So this will be our, and the classes will be starting mostly on the third week. Okay. But meanwhile, you will have some prerequisites and other things to complete. Yes, I have done 6 months as data engineer, DevOps engineer, support engineer, all are same. So Krishna, you can definitely enroll. Okay. Right. Okay, next step. Once you have done the payment, right? Once you have done the payment, you have to wait for the live sessions to be started and documents and prerequisites to be updated. It will be updated in next week, in the next coming weeks. Okay. Abhilash, it depends on many things. Okay. Yes, Leela, taken, no issues. Okay, taken. Okay, guys, we are going to end this class at 8:45 p.m. sharp. Okay, so we have few minutes left. And anyone willing to enroll? Yes, you can take Ramgiri Pavan Kumar. Yes, brother, definitely. If you like today's session, you can take. Okay, last 5 minutes. I need 3 students. Give your names. Those who are interested, we will wait for them. Those who are not interested or time is done, you can drop off, no issues. Kishan, okay, one Kishan. Other people, if you have any questions, any queries, you can ask. Bhanupriya 2, Bhanupriya, you are already noted, no issues. Nagababu 3, you are also noted. I know, right? So no worries for you both. Ashrit, okay. What about people on YouTube? How can we get today's session? Ash, I've already told you, today's session recordings will be difficult to get, but I will try. Okay, I will try. I will update you in the groups, okay, which you have already enrolled. Yes, Teja, you tell in the Telugu. I don't have any issues. Likita, yes. You can see this one, okay? This one, okay? For DevOps role, internal switch for good organization. Internal switch will be only good if you love that organization. If you don't love that organization, change that company itself. I always change my company. If you see here on my LinkedIn, I change companies every 2 years or like close to that. Okay. So you can see my LinkedIn. Infosys, I was not knowing, but you can see Infosys, I stayed for 3 years, whereas on 2 years, Walmart 1 year, less than 2 years. So like that, once you come to any place, you learn things, you explore things, and you move forward, right? That's how things will happen. And you can see my awards here, all the awards from Walmart. Okay, all my awards from Walmart and all my awards from Verizon. Every company, I make sure I get some awards. So you can see my Verizon award. Okay. Yes, these are Verizon awards. Boss, give me a reply. Praveen PS, working as a VMware admin, can I switch to DevOps engineer? Yes, you can switch. Hi Praveen, I have enrolled for Telugu Prime batch. Will this course is sufficient? Okay, Telugu course, if you have enrolled, Sanjay, you can complete that. But if you need to update, Telugu course is almost done 1 year back, close to. If you want to update, you can enroll for batch 11. It's no issues. Yes, Adep, no issues. You can drop, no issues. Yes, I don't know these guys' names. Celtic. Yes, Pavan, definitely. Uh, yes, Sompalli, yes. Okay, Sai Narayana, good. Okay, so all of you see here, those who are hunting for job, let me tell you, the best website to hunt for job is LinkedIn. Okay, all the product companies, almost all the product companies will be here only. Okay, so simply you have to come here, search for DevOps engineer title, put it India, and whatever you want hybrid, select that. 762 results. If you want the jobs which have been posted in last 24 hours, you can select this. You can filter out why last 24 hours, because very less people will be applying to that. Okay, Walmart has something. Okay, Azure GCP OpenStack principal DevOps engineer Autodesk. Okay, 8 years of experience. Site reliability engineer, lead DevOps engineer,
Senior DevOps engineer, senior software engineer, Walmart. Again, 17 hours ago, only 26 people applied. Strong computer science fundamentals in algorithms. Okay, this is software engineer role. Oh, guys, Microsoft is having opportunity. Okay, I'm going to share this link. Please apply if you want. I'm sharing this link with you all. Microsoft opportunity. Okay, you can apply. So Microsoft is hiring for DevOps engineer, mobile DevOps. 3 hours ago, it has been posted. So let me see what they are expecting. Design, develop, maintain CI/CD pipelines. We all will do anyways in batch 11. Refactor and improve the structure of Android or iOS code base to better. They are asking code base to better these things. Okay. Design and enhance stubbing frameworks. This is basically a testing role or what? Stubbing framework and all. AI LLM. Okay. Okay, little bit complex job description. It looks like Nokia software configuration management. Okay, this is good, right? Global logic. Yeah, please, Vikas, you can. Oh, Vaishnavi, I was seeing here. Sorry. Can you ask your query? Guys, sorry, I didn't see the chat. I wanted to talk to you all. Okay, Chakali Krishna, no worries. Vaishnavi, can you ask your query? Okay, you can drop off, Vaishnavi. Okay, you can drop off. I have already told everyone, right? If you don't have any queries, you can drop off. No issues. Okay, Chakli Krishna. Yes, please take it. Yes. Okay, great. So guys, time is now 8:43. It's time to wind up our class. Okay. Attendance has been taken. Okay, no worries. Those who are here till here, attendance has been taken. We are good with today's class. Thanks a lot for joining this class. I'm very happy to see you all in tomorrow's hands-on. And any questions, any queries, okay, with respect to batch 11. I see 3 people slots are still there. If anyone is interested still, okay, 3 people. If you are still interested, only 3 people, this coupon code will be available for 3 people, next 3 people. Okay. So if you are interested, if you are support role, if you are non-IT, IT, anyone can come into batch 11. Okay. And thanks a lot for joining today's class. I am going to upload all the documents by 10 p.m. sharp today. You can check in the website. Documents will be downloadable. Few will not be downloadable. You can take up that. Okay. And batch 11, no need to worry. Yes, Mahindra, no worries. Okay. You have slots for 3 people. Okay. 3 people slots will be there. You can enroll, right, within next few minutes. Right. And YouTube people, thanks a lot. Okay. So many messages. Hi, Anna, AWS CP and AWS SA. I have how much salary? No, salary will not be dependent on your certification. Okay, brother, please. Salaries are not dependent on your certification. Salaries will be dependent on your knowledge. So not certification. Oh, no, Rohit. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Guys, you can drop off. If you don't have any queries, you can drop off. Soumyadeep, hi, Praveen. Last question. I'm a support engineer with 2.9 years of experience. Can I switch to DevOps by showing? Yes, brother. All of them are doing that. Why are you asking this question now? Yes, all are doing the same thing. Okay, Praveen Singampalli, thank you. Satisfied for today. Thank you, guys. If you don't have queries, you can drop. Hi, Praveen. Okay. Okay. Vijay, definitely I'm going to help you, right? So no worries. You can just email to us. Okay, because you said not to read openly. I'm not reading your message. You can just mention that you have asked your query and you need some help on this, and people from our team will help you. No issues. Okay. Good night. Good night, all. Okay, Bhanu, you did? Okay, great. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for taking time. Tomorrow, hands-on, we will do it. Okay. Yes, certification will be provided. Ajay, did I miss any of your question, brother? Please don't be disappointed. Shravanti, I will join sure. What is your question? Sorry, brother, I missed it. Uh, Please ask your questions. Okay, though guys, don't tell you feel disappointed if I'm not answering your query. I'll stay still. Please ask your query. Does this bootcamp consist of certification or not? Yes, certification is there. As a fresher with BCA degree. See, BCA degree, fresher, little bit difficult. You have to go for next degree and get job. Okay, right. Shravanti, yes. Please ask your question. On which apps will be working in the course? We'll be working on Java, mostly on Java apps. Yes, eclectic. Yes, Deepak, thanks a lot. Questions, guys. Ask your question. How can we show experience in our DevOps? I am going to help you, na? Don't worry. I'm going to try much, Arvind. Okay. Bhanupriya, I told you, I'll try. I'll try my best. Okay, questions? Shravanti, I have total of 7.5 years of experience. How can we show the experience for freshers? I'll tell you. Fresher experience, very difficult. Okay. Okay. Sandeep is asking, I am an SRE from 11 months and currently working in a startup. My salary is low. Can I switch now? Wait for a few months, Sandeep. It's only 11 months, na? People want more experience. Session was so interactive. You are doing really great job. Thank you. Okay. And I'm going to post all the things on Instagram also. So you know my Instagram already, right? Krishna, you booked for which batch? You are telling you not booked for batch 11. Which batch you booked? Okay. Those who are enrolling for batch 11. Okay. Sir, I have 1.5. Yes, yes. 1.5 years is very good experience. By the time you switch, you will have 2 years. Can I switch to DevOps? Yes, Shravanti. Definitely. Not Azure DevOps, Vinay. We will cover Azure Infra. Okay. Okay. Krishna, if the payment is failing, you can just email us here. Okay. Anyone whose payment is failing or any queries you have, you can mail us here. Okay. Yes. Batch 11. Yes. Java we are covering. Hanuman Dilip. Okay. So no worries there. Yes, Nikhil, definitely. Definitely. That's my job, right? Okay. So guys, last 2 seats are left. anyone who wants to enroll, you can enroll. I am winding up the session. I have taken all your queries. Don't need to disappoint. Tomorrow we will have session. Tomorrow we will do hands-on. We will complete all the things. Okay. 2 people, you can enroll and the coupon code will get expired. Okay. After 2 people getting enrolled, the coupon code will be changed. Please remember that automatically the website updates the price for you. Okay. So 2 people, if you are interested, you can enroll only 2 people. Okay. And this code will be expired. You can check later. If you don't believe my words, you can check after few minutes. If the 2 people slots are completed, the coupon code gets changed automatically. Okay. So thanks a lot for joining. I will end the session now. I have to take rest. Thanks a lot for taking time. All the documents will be uploaded by 10 p.m. No worries. Okay. And I will try to give you recordings also. Okay. Don't worry about that. Clear, everyone? Chandramouli, clinical SaaS course. I'm not sure what is that also. Clinical SaaS course. Okay. Right. I'm going to take rest now. Thanks a lot for joining. It was amazing. You will see video on Instagram. I will put in the story. I'm going to take rest. 2 people, you can enroll. If you don't want to enroll, you can continue with the free course. No issues. Okay. Right. But 2 people only. Okay. Once the 2 people slot is there, done, you will see the new coupon getting automatically applied when you book your seat. Okay. So if a new coupon comes, you will see the price change also. Right. Okay, great. So thanks a lot for joining. I'll stop my screen share. It was really nice talking to you all. See you all in the tomorrow's class. Chalo, bye. Bye YouTube. Bye log. Bye. See you all on LinkedIn. If you have posted. And okay, by the way, before winding up the session, who are the 2 people? 2 people, who are those 2 people like you want to enroll? Any 2 people, those who think that, okay, Praveen, I'm going to enroll before the coupon gets expired. Any 2 people? Okay, Kalyan, Srinivas. One more. One more. Okay, on YouTube also is there. Na? We will check on YouTube. Santosh. Okay, done. Okay, good. Okay, guys, thanks a lot for joining this class. I'm really amazed to see your response. You all can definitely be part of tomorrow's hands-on. We will do from basics to advanced. And thanks a lot for joining. Please take care. Happy good night and bye. Okay. Yes, bye.